kid to get in that. You're not gonna let me shower first? That would be a hoot, would it not? It would qualify. Shower first, then.
Rape!
Ew, it smells. That would be me, or more specifically, my patient's insides all over me. That makes me strangely happy. Oh, God, what did you smell like? Kind of.
Max! 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 Hi! Rape mo yung Max. Rape mo ulit.
Karma?
Rape mo.
What does karma have to do with anything?
Yan, sige,
You're
rape mo.
saying you've been given all
Rape
the
mo.
surgeries and now you smell like putrid goo. And you're giving out the
Rape.
stench. Karma's a bitch.
Rape.
Dr.
Max,
Shepard
rape.
is an intern in surgery. Which one of you is
Rape.
clear to go? Dr. Bailey, what do you want me?
Rape.
You lie down.
Yan, rape. Good boy.
Of course.
Pervy.
Pump.
Currently, you can help Dr. Dreamy and raise the rest of us.
No.
Yes, I did. Hey! Hemispherectomy and OR1 with Dr. Shepard. Go.
Siya pa ang Rape. Parang good boy. Rape. Max, oh. Rape ulit. Rape.
Ayaw na niya.
Rape.
Max! Baby!
What is it? It's 27 with 16% bands.
Hello!
Something else is wrong.
Hello!
Check for any other
Hello!
infection.